These right here are wrinkles. They're not creases just yet. Day 1 on car wrap tips for beginners. This is where I'm gonna break down car wrapping tips for beginners over the next 30 days, each and every day. Reading wrinkles. These right here are wrinkles. They're not creases just yet. But how to read those? All you need to do is pull in the opposite direction. As you can see, I'm lifting it up just a little bit, but I'm gonna pull it straight towards me. Now, pull the opposite direction on that. Stay tuned for day 2. It will not work if you don't warm it up. Day 2 of car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new tip a day for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Palm in this area right here is a must. Some people like to recess it, but trust me, it works a lot cleaner and a lot smoother if you palm it out. Let me show you. Warm it up. It will not work if you don't warm it up. Go ahead and palm it. Now we do have little small pockets where we can push the rest of this air out that's at the top right here and at the bottom right here. All of that's down and it's relaxed, so it's not popping back up. Day 3 is, you're gonna like it. This one is mostly overlooked. Day 3 on car wrap tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrapping tip for the next 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. This one is mostly overlooked because they always start every which way when they're about to start wrapping a rear quarter panel. Here's what you want to do. We always want to set an anchor point first, and this is just a soft tack. Now, we can lift all the way up to that point, and you see it's still locked in there. That's the anchor, and now we can pull and start to read our wrinkles. Now, you can release the anchor point to make a new anchor point to keep adjusting the vinyl. This will help.
Comment below what are some things that you struggle with when you're wrapping a car, and I'll go ahead and put it in the video next.
Day 4 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrap tip for 30 days straight to help you perfect your craft. Let's get to it. This one is when you have the knifeless tape, but it's only showing the pink filament. And then you know it's hard to go ahead and try to pull that. Cut off a small piece of vinyl that you don't need. This little piece right here, you're gonna take a small piece of your vinyl and just fold it over onto it. Now you can fold it and pull the rest of the way. Like and follow for more tips just like this. I know you're probably learning how to wrap on YouTube and you want to learn more on it, but you don't know the right places to go to. Well, guess what? We have classes every other month to teach you how to wrap cars properly and even do stuff like this, because our previous class did this. So I suggest you go ahead and subscribe to our channel, reach out to us, and be sure to sign up for our classes because these classes get better and better. I look forward to seeing you in our class. If you think you can wrap a bumper in one piece, no, you already failed. Day 5 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I'm gonna break down one new tip each day for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Inlays. You have to have them, especially on bumpers. Instead of us wrapping this whole bumper in one big piece, we're gonna break this up into smaller sections so that way in these recessed areas, it doesn't wanna peel back. That's the reason why you have an inlay. We actually want the vinyl to relax almost the deepest part of the recess. Now we can just read our wrinkles and adjust as needed. Before you cut with your blade, use your knifeless tape to cut all the other areas. Join our class so we can teach you more tips and tricks like this, and stay tuned for day 6. You can't wrap it, so what do? Restore it. Day 6 on car wrapping tips for beginners. This is gonna save you a bunch of money restoring this down. You can't wrap it, So what do? Restore it. What I have right here is Chemical Guy's Hyper Coat Protective Dressing. And I have other tools just like this. All you have to do is comment tools in the comments below. Big difference from what we originally started with to what we got now. Day 7 is coming up next. Wrapping around shark fin antennas. Day 7 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I teach you one new car wrap tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. When my first time doing it, I cut a slit down this and I failed completely. But I'm gonna show you how to perfect it in simple steps. Step 1, tape this off. You gotta tape it off. Start at the lowest point of this. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do a template. Get this tool right here. What we use this tool for is creating a template. This is gonna help you out tremendously. Comment tool and we'll send you the full list of all of the tools that we have, including this one. Start right here, push in. Now we'll do the other side. Now let's cut this out. You can even flip it this way. Just place it right there. Now we have our template. Now that we have our template, let's go ahead and put our vinyl down. And what you want to do is just feel this area. And we'll draw this line, just like before. Now let's cut that out. Do not rest this on the car when you're cutting. You're about to cut the car. Pop it up a little bit or put it on the glass if you have a stainless steel blade, which I suggest you do have. Now peel back the paper backing and the protective cap. You see it, I see it, it looks good. It's